Hello everyone. So today we're going to take the lesson of organizing web related files. So this lesson is designed to give some ideas about how files in a website. So for example, the documents, images, videos, etc. can be distributed among directories and how the resources can refer to each other from these different locations. So besides personal reference, the ways a website can be organized depends heavily on its type and scope. So in this lesson, we'll analyze a few models that can help you organize the files of your website and make updating it a pleasant job. So it can be definitely good to create a folder in your computer. So I already created my own folder and it has subfolders. So then every file of a website will fall somewhere inside its corresponding folder. Despite the internal structure of your file, having said this, it is important that you don't make links in your documents to resources outside the website folder, as these are prone to be moved, especially if you're considered the idea to make your website public. About designing the internal structure of your folder, you should consider that putting all the files in the main directory, also called the root, may be fine for small sites. So let's say 5 pages and 3 images. But if you have to handle 20 pages and 200 images, that organization model can turn into a serious problem and give you a hard time trying to find the documents among so many images. So what you can do in such case is start grouping the files in some ways and place them in different directories. So for example, let's say you have a 3 HTML file, then you put in the HTML folder, and you have the one CSS file, you'll put in the CSS file. Then after it considered it for a while, you decide that you build only one page to show the images or the file. As you can see, the directory structure consists of our main folder, which contains a subfolder. So it very clear and simple and works very well for the files it needs to hold. But suppose that in the following months or years, you continue to create more of your HTML file or your website. So before you realize you have 100 files, and you begin to think that this directory structure is getting obsolete, and your file will be going messy. So you can put this one by one so that your file will not be messy, and it's a good idea to solve the problem. So if you have images, HTML file, or other file, you must create a new folder to create a balance in your website, and you can find them easily in the future. So that's all in the organizing the web related files. Hope you learn a lot. Thank you.